God. ये एक ऐसा नेम है which gives us hope, which gives us peace during the time of our troubles. बट क्या आप जानते हैं कि हिब्रू के अंदर जो Jewish people हैं, they they do not take the name of God directly, rather they represent the name of God with the term Adonai, because God Himself commanded that do not profane my name. So उस profane को avoid करने के लिए क्या करते हैं? They use the term Adonai. अगर आप Leviticus 22 verse 32 में देखेंगे तो वहाँ पे God says, and neither ye shall profane my holy name, but I will be hallowed among the children of Israel, for I am the Lord which hallow you. So this has been said by God Himself. बट आप में से बहुत से लोग कहेंगे कि स्टिल आई हैव द क्यूरियोसिटी कि एक्चुअल नेम है क्या? वेल, जो एक्चुअल नेम है इट इज स्टिल मिस्टीरियस, इट इज नॉट रिवील्ड टू एवरीवन. बहुत कम लोग हैं जो इसको जानते हैं, और जो जानते हैं वो नहीं रिवील करते हैं इस नेम. बट डिस्पाइट ऑफ दैट, द स्टडी विच शोज दैट द टर्म विच describes the name of God is tetragrammaton. Now, tetragrammaton is not the name, but it means that it is formed by 4-letter words. English के 4 letters हैं that made name of God. That is YHWH. जिसे अगर हम हिब्रू में ट्रांसलेट करते हैं तो it becomes योद हे वाहे. और अगर आप इसे इंग्लिश में देखते हैं it becomes जेहोवा और यहोवा. ना खास बात यह है देखने की कि जो हिब्रू लैंग्वेज है उसके अंदर टर्म जो जे है वो नहीं आता है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल द नेम जॉन विच वॉज एक्चुअली नेम्ड एज योखनान, और द टर्म जीसस, द नेम जीसस जो है वो जो है उसे हम कहते हैं यशुआ, which means salvation. But in some name maybe it has got a deeper meaning. Your term, your tetragrammaton है YHWH, it actually means I am. अगर हम देखते हैं ये सबसे पहले कहाँ यूज हुआ है तो ये यूज होता है Exodus 3:14 में, जहाँ पे Moses was talking to God in the burning bushes. And Moses asked that मैं अगर इज़राइल कौम के पास अगर जाता हूँ तो what should I tell them? That whom did I talk to? And God says I am who I am. हिब्रू में इसका ट्रांसलेशन है अहिये अशेर अहिये. Now this was the name that was given by God Himself. And उसके बाद अगर आप देखेंगे this name has been used throughout the Bible. फिर चाहे आप वो book of Leviticus उठा लें, book of Numbers, book of Isaiah, book of like John, book of any book of Bible, अगर आप देखेंगे तो वहाँ पर the name I am has been used several times. But इसका हमारी जिंदगी से क्या रिलेशन है? The term I am is a very sacred term. बहुत से लोग कहते हैं that I don't know whether God is present in my life or not. बहुत से लोग कहते हैं that I am depressed, I am sad, I am lonely, I don't have anyone to talk to. Or they say that yeah, I am joyful in my life. Okay, yeah, I am rich, I am having everything in my life that I want. But आप इस चीज को भूल जाते हैं when you say all these things, whether in a negative way or in a positive way, the term of God, the word I am, is always present with you. And you know why you are so blessed? Because before your actual troubles you tell, or before you reveal your happiness, you put your God's name first, the term I am. So when you say that I am depressed, I am lonely, I'm scared, God is present with you all the time. So you don't need to be troubled. अगर आप देखेंगे जॉन चैप्टर 16 में, वहां पर एक वहां पर यह है कि जब यीशु मसीह को जो था वो पकड़वाने के लिए हो रहे थे, एंड इट वाज द आवर दैट ही शुड बी क्रूसिफाइड. So before that he was with his disciples himself, and then in John chapter 16 verse 32 में अगर देखें तो वहाँ पर जो था, now the disciples were like कि हाँ हमें अब पता लग गया है that you are the real son of God. So then after that even Jesus says in 16:32 that behold the same hour ye is to come, ye shall be scattered, that every man to his own, and shall leave me alone. Yet I am not alone, because the Father is with me. So you see that even Jesus, he was lonely. He knew that कि वो अकेले पड़ने वाले हैं, but despite of that he said that I am not alone. Because he put God first, he put his Father first. And आगे लिखा है because the Father is with me. How is he with him? Because the term I am is there. अगर आप इसी का ही अगर आप आगे पैसेज पढ़ते हैं, and if we go into John chapter 18, and वहाँ पर अगर आप देखते हैं from 6, तो वहाँ पर ये आते हैं, तो वहाँ पर रोमन सोल्जर्स भी आ जाते हैं, and they ask, and Jesus asked them that whom do you seek? He says, and then the soldier says, we seek Jesus of Nazareth, and Jesus says I am. उसे थोड़ा और क्लैरिफाई करने के लिए वहाँ पे लगा रखा है I am he, but एक्चुअल में it is just I am. And जैसे वो ये बात सुनते हैं तो वहाँ पे लिखा है the very next thing, if you see over here, they answered him Jesus of Nazareth, and from 5th अगर हम देखेंगे तो वहाँ पे लिखा है they answered him Jesus of Nazareth, and Jesus said unto them, I am he. And Judas also which betrayed him stood with them. And as soon as he had said this unto them, I am he, they went backward and fall on the ground. तो हम देखते हैं कि वहां पर जो होता है वो सीधे सुनते हैं, इस नाम को सुनते ही वो गिर पड़ते हैं. That's the sacredness. That's how sacred the name of God is, that you fell on the ground because आप उस पावर को नहीं बर्दाश्त कर पाते हैं, that holiness, because हम कहीं ना कहीं we are defiled through our thoughts, through our words, through our eyes, through our hands, through our actions. किसी भी तरीके से we are defiled, but and we cannot stand in the holiness of God unless and until we get the covering of Jesus. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम कभी भी जब आपको ये चीज होती है कि आई एम डिप्रेस्ड, आई एम सैड, आई एम लोनली, जस्ट रिमेंबर गॉड इज विद यू. ही नेवर फॉरगेट्स यू. बिकॉज अगर आप देखते हैं जॉन चैप्टर 8 में, तो वहां पर जो होता है जॉन चैप्टर 8 और वर्स 12 में अगर आप देखते हैं तो वहां पे कहते हैं Then Jesus spake unto them that I am the light of this world. He that followeth me shall not walk in the darkness, and he shall be the light of life. You need to be the light of life. ऐसा नहीं है कि God is never with you. Even with an atheist, God is with you. Because whenever you represent yourself, you represent God first. I am. That's why in John chapter 14 भी अगर आप देखते हैं verse 6, तो वहाँ पे लिखा है I am the way of truth and life. God is the way of truth and life. So we need to understand this, that how God is important in your life. And your name here, you always take it. Even when you forget at times to take the name of God, or even when you forget at time to be with God, you're always with God. That's why God says that कि दूध पिलाती हुई माँ भले ही अपने बच्चे को भूल सकती है, पर मैं तुझे कभी ना भूलूंगा. That's how God is. That He would not ever forget you, even though you forget Him at times. Even though you say, कि I'm just so lonely, I don't have anyone to talk to. You always have one, and that is God. Talk to Him, reveal your things to Him, make Him your friend. और फ्रेंड बनाना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. और अगर आप देखेंगे जॉन चैप्टर 15 में और वर्स 14 में, तो वहाँ पर जीसस कहते हैं that ye are my friends if ye do whatsoever I command you. Jesus has always taught you that He is your friend. You're not His servant. So that's why He has given you the authority. That's why He is with you. कोई भी जो मालिक होता है वो अपने सर्वेंट के साथ नहीं रहता है, बट कोई भी जो दोस्त होता है वो अपने दूसरे दोस्त के साथ रहना जरूर प्रेफर करता है. तो that's how precious God is. So do not be troubled even when you are feeling so lonely. You always have one person to always talk to, and that is God. Be with Him and be strong in Him, because He is the God of irons and He is with you forever and ever. May the God be with you and keep you under His wings. Amen.